Hi, welcome. I'm Bryan, and I'm very happy to welcome you to Actito. Before you start using Actito, before you start building your scenarios, your email campaigns, tying forms to that, checking what your customers have done, performance of your campaigns, and so on, we're going to show you first how you can actually navigate Actito. It's not that hard, but getting a quick tour might get you familiar with the different things that we offer you and what you can start doing tomorrow with this tool. Okay? So, first of all, we need to log in, of course. You're going to do that by entering your license name. In my case, that's Actito HQ. That's our marketing license, by the way. I'm going to enter my password. And typically on every license, we activate two-factor authentication. So the little email that you heard arriving is my authentication code. This is just to make sure that we don't have hackers, people that don't need to be on your platform. So you can either receive this by email or by SMS. You just copy paste that code into this little field and you're good to go. This is Actito. Welcome again. So first off, the thing that you're going to see here is on the left hand side there's a navigation bar with all sorts of little icons. On top you see dashboard with a couple of icons as well. And then there's the active window that shows you whatever you're doing. The first thing that you're going to see every time you log in is this dashboard. It's going to show you the health of your marketing automation. You're going to see engagement score, the different profiles that you have in your database, subscribers, overall performance of your campaign, you name it. We're not going to dive into details here. That's for another video, but you can have a look around nonetheless, of course. If you're curious, why not? What I really wanted to show you is if you go to the left side here, you've got this little grid icon. Click on that, and that'll show you all the applications that you have at your disposal in Actito. So you see quite a bit of colors there. Dark blue stands for everything that's related to profiles. There's green, that's everything concerning channels. Then orange for automation, blue for reporting, and purple for data structure. As you can see, these are folders and they actually comprise a lot of different applications. So manage your profiles, import new profiles, manage the structure of your database. Those kind of things are all structured in those little folders. So if I click here to catalog, I go back to that overview. And as you can see, I can click, for example, other campaigns, and that'll bring me to the more physical channels that we offer, like print and call centers. Similarly, you've got forms and pages to make sure that you can start enriching profile data, send NPSs, preference centers, and so on. That's typically the place where you're going to do that. Social to link to LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Goals to track your customers' behavior on your website once they've clicked on an email. There's automation, of course, and that'll bring you to scenarios or the automatic segmentation rules that'll help you calculate customer behavior and the changes that they make in there. Reporting, there's a whole set of reportings. So you can check the health of your database, the interactions that you had on a specific campaign, interactions on a form, those kind of things. Check it out for yourself, I'd say. And then we've got those purple things. Those are for the Data Mart Studio and Data Model. That's also something that we're going to cover in another video. Now, you'll also find add-ons in the transfer box. Transfer box is a very nifty feature that'll help you to securely transfer customer data to another party. So also something that we'll cover in another video. But should you be impatient, should you want to try out what we're talking about already, well, what I would advise you is to go to this little question mark, click it, and you'll enter the documentation. And we've got a lot of documentation on all the features in Actito. We've got screenshots, videos, extensive information on how you should leverage every feature. And if there's something specific that you're looking for, just go to your little search bar and you'll find whatever you need. If you still can't find what you're looking for, you've got that great support that we're offering you. Make use of it. All right. Now, typically, instead of going through this every time, you can use this navigation bar. You're going to build a scenario first, going to make the structure of how you leverage every touch point with your customer. You're going to pick the different channels that you're going to use. So once you've done that, you're going to build out your emails, your SMSs that are going to be sent. You might want to tie a form to that if you want to enrich those profiles with new information. use print campaigns. So you see, it's quite easy to jump from one application to the other. Now, when you're using Actito, in the meantime, you'll also see that there's some notifications popping up. Those will be about maintenance, for example, product releases. Don't miss those. Events that are coming up, and all sorts of interesting information for you as an Actito user. As Actito user, of course, you can change your password. If you're an admin user, you can manage the different users of your license. So you can add new people, deactivate their license, or manage API users if you have more technical profiles that need an API key for technical manipulations. And also, of course, log out. Once you're done, you click that and you're out again. You're ready to take a coffee, have a break, and then get back to activating those customers. Thanks for your time, and I hope to see you for the next one. Cheers.